We visited Brothers Burger BGC branch located in Bonifacio High Street. Ang cute ng place nila. Though high traffic po dito, talagang mag-wait po tayo ng seats. Ayan po yung kanilang menu. You can pause it to see the price list. We ordered the Ranchero Burger, which is their bestseller, and also their Smash Style Burger. The onion rings are so good. Sobrang fresh po ng onions and so crispy. Kitang-kita naman po ang laki ng kanilang burger. Yan po yung Ranchero. Yan, pinag-isipan ko po talaga kung saan kakagatin kasi ang laki. I'm not a fan of burgers, but this burger is a must-try. Grabe ang juicy. Perfect po yung ingredients. Well combined po. Siguro po ang comment ko lang is yung buns is ang dry and hindi malambot. We also ordered their flavored boneless chicken and honey sriracha. And grabe po yung chicken nila, sobrang juicy, sobrang lambot. Lasang-lasa nyo po yung honey tsaka sriracha. Busog na po yung kasama ko. Grabe yung akin, hindi ko na uhubos. Sobrang laki for me. Kaya tinake out na lang po namin yan. And for dessert, we end up with the Hokkaido soft cream from Kiwami Food Hall. That's only for 150 pesos. Yun lang po. Bye!